Macgyver Sharon here. Today, back by popular demand, hello Bob.
Howdy.
We're finally putting a brace around the Macgyver vent fan so I can finish the gosh darn ceiling. This is what we got so far. Look at that. So we're adding the brace to the furrings and putting a furring back up the top, and then we can finally get a ceiling up all the way. Stay tuned. And the vent fan is braced. Thanks, Bob.
You're welcome.
So now we got to figure out the ceiling panels and all that good stuff, but we have a solid fit
Making
brace.
some progress.
Making progress. And that concludes today's video.